Hello, everybody. It's Lee here with Berserk. So, what we're going to do quick in a few minutes today is introduce everyone to the Create React app so you can easily get started with React projects. And so, right here, we have the Create React app website. It's create-react-app.dev. This is where you can get all the info for the Create React app and how to start it, a lot of details. But what we're going to use is this little command right here, npx space create-react-app and space my app. And what npx is an npm tool that you can just use npm packages and tools without installing them first. It basically combines your npm install -g for tools to build things like these create projects. And then create-react-app is the tool. And then my app is just the name of the project you're creating. And then you can see in the terminal here that I've already started it running, but if we were going to do this from scratch, I would just paste the npx create react app, my app, and I've put a 2 here just to show you how this starts. It's really slow to install at this point on the internet slow, but you would go through this. I'm going to skip it because I've already done it to save time in the project. And after you install it and it's done, you do npm start. And this may also take a few seconds to get up and running. We'll just give it some time. One neat thing about this project is that you can start with everything built in, like live reloading. If you're familiar with writing code in Node, you might have to stop and start in the terminal to get your changes in, but this has live reloading and Webpack all built into it. So you can change your code and it would, within a few seconds, instantly refresh in the browser where you're looking. And then let's see here. Come on, speed up, little computer. There we go. You can see it's done loading. It's at localhost 3000. And let's look at it in the browser. And there we go. You can see this is that Create React App basic template there. Up and running at localhost 3000. And then a quick overview of the code that it makes for you. Is over here. And sorry, that accidentally started that folder in there. Just ignore that, my app too. You can see here in the source, you have the app CSS, the app JS, your test, an index, logo, and a service worker, and the setup of the tests, and your package.json, which lists your basic scripts here. You've got start, which is just run it, build for production, test for running any tests. It has the unit tests set up already. And eject is where if you want to mess with your config, for example, if you want to install Sass or SCSS, or maybe change it to stylus, or change it from Webpack to TypeScript as your build tool, that's where you would eject, and you can change the configurations. There you go. In index.js, we have the basic start of the whole project, and then getting the root element started. And then in app.js, this is your root component, and then you would just go from there. So that's it. Just remember to like us and follow us on YouTube and Facebook. Thanks.